it's Miss Cassidy here. I was just gonna join in with you guys and show you guys how to make bread in a bag from home using just regular household items and things you guys can, find around the house with the help of mom and dad. So come on in and let's get to work. First, we're gonna combine 1 cup of flour, sugar, and yeast into a Ziploc baggie. Don't worry, get your parents to help you. So what we just did was we put 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a cup of water into this Ziploc bag, and we're just gonna shake, shake, shake it. We're just gonna have a lot of fun with this one and shake it until it's all mixed up really well. Okay, my friends, once you're done shaking and having a lot of fun with your parents and your siblings, we're gonna let our bag take a nap for 10 minutes, okay? So lay your bag down, go read a book, sing some songs with your parents, and come back in 10 minutes, okay? Okay, so our bag is done taking its nap, and so we are going to get a bowl. We're gonna put 1 cup of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of butter, melted butter. And we're gonna mix it up in the bowl, and then we're gonna pour it in our bag. Now that we've added our extra ingredients and our bag is done taking a nap, we're gonna have another dance party and just shake, shake, shake to your favorite music. Shake until it's all mixed up really well. Bag should look start being a little bit more doughy rather than liquidy. And we're gonna add 1 more cup of flour to our mixture, okay? So after we put 1 last cup of flour in our bag, we're gonna shake, shake, shake 1 more time. And then we're gonna make sure we have a nice floured surface so that when we're done shaking this time, we can put our dough on it. I decided to turn my music up a little bit louder for this last round of shaking. Okay, so now that we have a floured surface and our dough is out of the bag, we're going to place our dough on the floured surface and knead it for just a little bit. So I moved the camera down a little lower so you guys could watch as I knead the bread. We're gonna knead the bread for about 5 to 10 minutes on a floured surface. So now that we're done kneading our dough, we are going to actually get a small pan or a loaf pan. We're gonna make sure that our parents help us grease the pan. We're gonna place our dough inside of that pan. And then we're gonna put a towel over it. We're gonna say, "Good night, dough," and let the dough take another nap. It's gonna take this nap for 30 to 45 minutes, parents. So if you guys wanna just set a timer, that way the kids can kind of watch and join in on making sure that it is put away in time. We're gonna also make sure that we put this pan with the towel over it in a warmer area in the house. That way it has the time and the temperature it needs to rise. Is it just me or does anybody's dough look really big, like it grew 3 sizes? All right, guys, so now we are going to put our dough in the oven at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. All right, we're back. We are at the end of our recipe, and we are about to learn what happens at the end of our bread bag recipe. How does y'all's look? Mine looks pretty good and smells delicious too. Let's see if we can taste it. Wow, it tastes amazing. Bye guys, I hope you had so much fun here with Miss Cassidy during our cooking recipe. I'll see you guys soon. Have lots of fun. Miss you. Bye.